Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Landon and today we're going to be showing you a few animals on our farm. So first we have our baby chickens that are in here. They're layers and they're going to lay eggs in the summer. So we have 15 of them. They're right here and they're getting pretty big. And they're going to lay eggs in summer. And this chicken right here is my chicken. Her name's Mohawk. Oops. Okay, she just doesn't want to be held. But her name's Mohawk because on the top of her head right there, she's got a little bit of a comb. So that's how she got her name, Mohawk. And we're going to be making some nesting boxes probably in spring so they can start laying eggs. And now we're going to go show you our goats. So we're going to go show you our goats. Our goats are in here. This one coming out, her name's Pebbles. She's pregnant right now, and so is that one. Her name's Bella. That one the one right there, his name's Rocky. He's the dad of these two. No. Never mind. And these over here are last year's goats. Those two, the Pebbles and Bella, had these two right here. This one we had for about 2 years. And the mamas over there are going to have babies. And stay tuned for that. We'll make sure to record it so you guys can see. Now we're going to go show you our baby calves. Here, his name's Waffles, and that's my cow. And this black one right here, her name's Daisy. And this one right here, his name's Butterscotch. And that's my brother's cow. And they're about probably 6 months. They're about 3 months old. And they're getting pretty big, and this one are both jerseys, and this one is a mix between a Holstein and an Angus, and it's a girl cow, and she's almost bigger than that one, and we've only had Daisy for about probably 2 months, and we've had Butterscotch for 3 months, and she's almost bigger than Butterscotch. And that's really surprising us on how she's bigger. Getting bigger, I should say. And that's going to wrap up for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!